Good morning and welcome to Janal Dholakya Yoga. I'm happy that you chose to meditate, so let's get started. Let's get into a comfortable seated position first, no matter where you are on your mat on the chair. Relax and roll your shoulders down and rest your palms on your knees facing upwards. And then gently close your eyes. Take a moment to center yourself here. And we will take 5 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. So let's get started. Inhale and exhale from the mouth as if you're blowing a candle out. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Three more rounds. Inhale, continue. One last. Inhale deep from the nose and exhale long from the mouth. Relax. Come back to your normal breathing now. Now take a moment of gratitude by focusing on what you have to be grateful for today. Breathe in and imagine positive energy coming into your body through the top of your head. And as you breathe out, imagine that positive energy flowing through your body all the way down through your limbs and pushing the old stagnant energy out through the tips of your toes. Breathe in all that loving, positive energy. Breathe out and let that positive energy flow through you, washing away any negative thoughts, emotions, and energy that is no longer serving you a purpose. Continue this visualization for a few more breaths. Today is a new day, a beautiful day, with new possibilities and opportunities coming your way. Yesterday is in the past, so you can let go of that. Let go of anything from the past that weighs you down. You don't need it anymore. Each day is a chance to start anew. So start today with a fresh mind and a light heart. You have the power to shape your day in any way you desire. I will be sharing some positive affirmations for the day, so feel free to repeat them after me in your mind or out loud. I am worthy. I am enough. I love myself. I trust myself. I am powerful. I am protected. I am guided. I am ready to have a wonderful day ahead. Now place your one hand on your belly and the other hand on your chest and take a few deep breaths with complete awareness. Inhale, feel the expansion, and exhale again from the mouth, feeling the relaxation. Do this for a few rounds. Inhale and exhale. And now you're ready to begin your day as your highest self. Very slowly bring your hands together. Gently blink and open your eyes. And have a wonderful day ahead. Sending you so much love. Namaste.